Hey guys, it's Whitney, and I just wanted to show you guys the new Tombow VIP box. I just got the second box in the mail, and I want to do an unboxing on film. I haven't seen anything in it, so I'm excited to see it. And I also want to introduce you to Tojo, my little French bulldog. You might hear him snoring during this. He snores even when he's awake. So anyways, I'm going to get back to turn on some lighting, and let's see what's in the box. Okay, here we go. I love the box always. I always have the cutest stuff. All right, let's see what we got. We have, this is the Tombow Mono 2-way. So this is correction tape, which I seriously can never have enough of. Everything on there is written in foreign language, but I think we know how this correction tape works, so let's see. Yes, awesome. It's got an eraser on one side and correction tape on the other, so that is actually perfect, and it will fit in my little pen case easily. So that'll be perfect for my little collection, and I love the color. Let's see what these pens. All right, fun stuff. This is the Mono Twin. This has actually got two tips to it. Let me see. So we've got a pretty thick tip and a lot thinner. So let me see how they write so I can show you guys. Love it. You can never have too many black pens, seriously. Let's see how the thinner tip writes. I definitely always resort to my name when I'm writing something, so yes, so that's how those two, this is the Mono Twin pen. Very nice. Also got this, oh my gosh, I haven't seen one of these in forever. This is the Reporter pen. So it looks like it's got four different ink colors. So we've got a gray color, a red, blue, and green. So let's see how those work. Awesome. So that's more of a blackish color. And then the green. The blue. And red. Awesome. This can just go in my purse, seriously. Have every color in one pen. So let's see. Here's their little note. Oh, this tells you what every single thing is. So we do have that was a permanent marker, was the Mono Twin, so it has the fine and broad tips. It's smear proof and can be colored over top with markers or highlighters instantly, so that is awesome. I do have the compact pen, which I just showed you. You can easily change the ink colors and great for color coding notes and journals. We also have the 2-way correction tape that I opened up. Actually, like my favorite thing. It has an eraser and the normal correction tape on one side. So the other thing is the Retry Adhesive. So this says, new glue tape technology allows for removing and reapplying within 1 minute of application. So I guess if you kind of mess up, you can just reapply instantly if you want to. And then it creates a strong and permanent bond. So that's actually really awesome. It's in between the permanent and the removable adhesives. So one more thing. Oh, there's some little cute little stickers in here. Perfect. And let's see. coupon code for photo prints. And this looks fun. This is the Happy Mail Calendar by Hello Lucky. So it's part of Mix Books Designer Collection, and it works with Tombow's products, of course. You can add your favorite photos in the calendar each month using the enclosed adhesive and write a letter to your favorite people using the calendar prompts and Tombow pens. So this is awesome. I needed a calendar to hang up in my office, so this is actually perfect. So super cute. Here's the little prompts up top. So this is for January. Very cool. Write a letter to your future self, and a letter to a new friend, old friend, to your dentist, and to your favorite artist. Very nice. And it's also Dental Awareness Month, which I had no idea. So this is too cute. They have all the holidays in here, and of course there's this paper's kind of gridded, so you can you have a little guideline if you do want to doodle or make pretty lettering in the boxes. So super, super cute. I love it, Tombow. You guys are the best. And so yes, every single one has a good little prompt, and there's a good space here for if you want to add photos or anything for throughout your month, which is a great idea. So I guess it's not all gridded. There's all different kind of patterns on the background of all these. So super, super cute. July, love the watermelon. Do need to take a vacation in July. August is popsicles, super cute. September's my birthday month, so love it. Labor Day. Write a note of appreciation to a small business owner. I love it. These are great little prompts for anybody, seriously. So I'm going to hang this on my wall in my office. I really was thinking about buying a new calendar, but I use the journal, but I don't have a wall calendar for 2018, so thank you so much, Tombow. I will add a link to this VIP box in my info description. This is the second box, and it's always filled with super fun stuff. It's a subscription service and sends you Tombow goodies pretty often. So it's exciting, so thank you guys at Tombow. I will definitely find some good use for all of this.